Rail Futures provides a comprehensive rail asset inspection and information management service. Utilising Rail Futures' deep understanding of the requirements of rail asset managers and many decades of collective experience in management and maintenance of railway infrastructure, you are assured of productivity improvement and a quality outcome. Safety and compliance underscore all inspection services offered by Rail Futures, with all inspectors being appropriately qualified and highly experienced. Inspection and monitoring services are currently offered for ultrasonic testing, glued insulated joints, rail stress, welds, structures, culverts, tunnels, trackside systems, and yards. As an example, let's look at the process of capturing and reporting yard asset information. This process diagram shows how the data is captured in the field and what systems are used to provide them in a suitable form for developing a works program, both to effect urgent repairs and to schedule short and medium-term activities. The initial task is to locate and identify the asset. Utilising client-supplied yard and ownership maps, the team, consisting of an experienced track inspector, data entry operator and track protection officer, locate the asset and determine its recognised name. The asset is also classified as either a turnout, siding, level crossing, or a length of track belonging to a level crossing. The track inspector determines the descriptive attributes of the asset, while the data entry operator enters the information into an application residing on the tablet computer. The attributes collected include the rail size, turnout angle, switch type, bearer type, etc. Where the track can be inspected, a full asset inspection is carried out. The attributes collected depend on the asset type. For example, details of switch, V, B-block, bolts, guardrails, etc. will be collected for a turnout. The asset inspection is guided by the questions displayed on the tablet, which the data entry operator answers while the track inspector continues the inspection. Throughout the day, the data on the tablet is synchronised with a software-as-a-service database in the cloud. This protects against accidental loss and makes the data immediately available to supervisors and clients. Where the bearers are visible, they are inspected to determine if they are sufficient, weight-bearing but deficient, or non-weight-bearing. The inspector marks the bearers accordingly. At this time, the inspector will also look for other deficiencies, such as loose bolts on rail joints or changes of rail weight. The data entry operator follows the inspector, pushing a Geismar amber rail trolley. The trolley measures and records distance, cant, gauge and twist at 125mm intervals. In addition, the bearer condition is entered via a simple 3-button selection on the trolley. Additional information, such as start of curve and covered bearers, are captured directly on the trolley. At the end of the workday, the trolley readings are uploaded and processed into a single inspection database. The asset and inspection data is also copied into the database, and the two sources of data cross-checked to ensure no asset has been missed. The database can then be used to create standard and custom reports covering bearer and rail condition and deficiencies. The data is also in a form suitable for statistical analysis and reporting.